Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today I am excited because I'm bringing you a review of something totally different and new by MODELONES right here. This is what they call their lipstick style or lipstick collection of gel polishes, and you're going to see why. But here it is in the package how it comes in a very nice and neat reusable zipper bag, travel bag if you may. This is a travel kit, and yeah, here you're taking a peek at some of the items that are inside. This item is available on Amazon. I will have the link down in the description bar below for you guys to go check it out. So let me go ahead and pull everything out of here so you guys will see everything that is included in this kit. So before I show you the contents of the bag, guys, I figure I'll show you the bag empty. Here it is. It's got the clear windows all throughout. It's got a nice trim, vinyl pink trim with the zipper that you can shut it from both sides into the center. This makes it a really nice travel bag, whether it's for some personal things or, you know, just to keep your nail things, your nail kit in here to travel. So starting with the label or this pamphlet here, you have the contents. It gives you the thank you for the order and has the contents of the package right there, everything that it's inside the bag. Some prep steps on how to do your nails if you are new to gel, as well as how to do the removal. And it has, doing ups and downs, a little bit Q&A in there for troubleshooting if you have any problems with the application. Okay, so here to the rest of the items, so let me move on. This is actually a cuticle remover, guys. This is included in a lot of starter kits, but I personally do not recommend using this, at least this end of it, okay? That is for cutting the cuticle, because you can get way too close to live tissue with this. It could be quite dangerous. However, of course, you may use this other side. This is a cuticle pusher, okay? So this one, let me go ahead and pull it out of here real quick. This one has the flat end for pushing back the cuticle when it comes to the preparation of your nails for the gel. We have a buffer, and everything here is in travel size, so it fits nicely in the bag, your travel bag. We have this little mini nail file. I will say this probably feels like a 100-180, which is ideal for preparation. We have the brush for removing dust, nice and convenient. I love the cuticle oil because this is one of those pens that you use, but this is a very nice and convenient cuticle oil that you always need for after you complete your manicure. They went ahead and included these decoration stickers. Aren't they super cute? They have some gold frames here and some oh, these look like neon multicolor butterflies. Super cute. There's a close-up of that. And of course, to complete your gel manicure, like I said, this is pretty much like a complete gel manicure travel size. So here's your 6-watt travel LED lamp. You've seen me use these before. They do cure your gel polish, believe it or not, guys. Yes, it's super cute. I will pull, let's see, maybe I can do it with this. The feet tend to be a little tight, so I use either a wooden stick or a cuticle pusher to pop them out. This stands like this, and you can put your hand underneath to cure. It has 2 settings for, let me see, and I haven't unraveled the cord, but here it is. This, you will plug it into the back of the lamp right here, the USB port, and you can plug this in with an adapter to the wall. Sometimes you can plug it into your laptop so you can charge it and have power. But here's the pamphlet, and so the one button has the 2 settings. You press the button and it starts out by default. The first time you press it, it cures for 45 seconds. If you press the button for about 2 seconds, then it holds the light on for a full minute, meaning 60 seconds. And that would be the minimum that I will suggest using this little lamp like this, curing your gel polishes. Okay, so now for the icing on the cake, guys. Check it out. These are the gel polishes themselves. They come pre-packed, nicely packed in this clear case right here to keep them all together. This was in a bubble wrap too before, when I pulled it out of the bag. But let me go ahead and take them out of here and put them, I'll have them in display for you. Okay, so in that little package you have these two black bottles. Check them out. You have a silver top and a gold top. These are your base coat and top coat. This is the silver is the base coat. There you see it. And here's the top coat. And these bottles, guys, okay, so these feel like your like your traditional glass bottles. They are 10 mLs, believe it or not. These are mLs. They look mini and skinny because they're tall and skinny. Again, they're from like, they're meant to resemble kind of, they call it their lipstick collection. They have a purple one, and this kit that I'm reviewing for you is the pink one. So let me show you the brushes. This is the top coat, so you can see the viscosity on this. Okay, just like what you normally expect from Model 1s. The same as other types of this is just a different type of packaging, and well, the product itself and how it was put together as meant, for it's a little starter travel size kit. Very convenient. I really do like this. Let me go ahead and now show you the colors. I have them right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the first one. The color names are identified with the number right here. This was number 7. Hopefully you can see that. And the bottles themselves, they feel very velvety like. So, this is the color that you can expect of the gel, so of the polish. Okay, so there's no needing to, guessing which color this is. So as you can see here, the color variation, very classic collection here on this color range. I can keep them. If I can keep them from rolling away. So this is, let me go ahead and open it up. Yeah, a very nice velvety feel to these bottles, which is nice to keep them from their slip free. You're going to see me swatch each one of these on tips. I'm going to do 2 coats for each one of them so you guys can see how nice they swatch. So there you guys saw how well these went. Oh my gosh, I'll have to say here, all the colors, like I said, 2 coats. Now I have them finished with the glossy gel top coat. Model 1s did an excellent job putting this collection together, guys. Not only in color wise, but the formula is I love how it's pretty thick, okay? So they're going to be great for nail art. You can almost get away with 1 coat in many of them. I went ahead and did 2, but not striky or anything when it comes to application. And I really love the feel. I mean, these are nice creamy colors. Look at this deep purple right here, or plum color, gorgeous color. Again, just very classic. This is not a red, it's more of a burgundy. It's a deep red. Then we have this a pink and a nude. We have three types of nudes here, with the pink, the peach, and the more with the yellow tone. Very pale right there, but beautiful nudes. And then you can see how well they match their containers. Okay, so here I have everything on display that it's in that little travel bag. I will have the link down in the description bar below. Remember that this is available on Amazon. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Model-Ones for sending me this gorgeous kit to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.